When you say reduce the cost of power, the cost of power actually could have been reduced. But then if you, like for example, you reduce the cost of power, then you increase the cost of forex. You reduce by, in fact, they reduce by, let me just be specific because I know they like hitting the numbers. There are those people who consume between 0 to 30 kilowatt hours. Their cost in April was 12.22. So in July, that cost, instead of going down, went up. There was no public participation. It went up by 0.16% though, to 12.24. And then those who consume between 30 to 100, their cost gazetted was 16.3. It went up to 16.58. That was an increase of 1.72%. And then those who consume over 100 kilowatt hours, their cost was 20.97. That one was reduced by 1.86% to 20.58. That is, when you talk of change in power prices and you're hitting Kenya Power and all that, that is a change they made.
Who is they?
Kenya Power. That is a change they made. Now, let's come to EPRA, because that is our biggest problem. First of all, let's agree, EPRA have been paid 0.03 Kenya shillings per kilowatt hour, 3 cents per kilowatt hour, ever since Kibaki time. In July, they increased from 0.03 to 0.08.
From 3 cents to 8 cents.
To 8 cents. That translates from 20 million to around 80 million per month. I didn't hear of any public participation. They didn't even announce it. So that is one thing they did. And remember, these people are supposed to be protecting us from those other players. But they are the ones who gazette the punitive levies and taxes.
What's the EPRA charge?
EPRA charge is 0.08.
What